Select and prepare the wood for your project. Mark the dimensions of the forearm sections. Cut the wood to the exact size needed. The easiest way to assemble the frame is with wooden dowels. Use a dowel template to make precise holes. Apply glue to the holes and insert the wooden dowels. Clamp the frame to ensure it stays secure while it dries. Repeat to make the other two frames. Attach the insert material. Use a sturdy staple gun to attach the diamond trellis to the inside of the frames. The easiest way to make corner joints is to use plastic corner fasteners. Final assembly. Put the finished radiator cover in place and enjoy your